Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a concept luxury recreational vehicle or V that blends the comfort and luxury of a mobile home with Ferrari's renowned high performance. By fusing luxury, flair, and speed into one package, the idea seeks to produce an unparalleled travel experience. Important features anticipated: high performance, a potent V12 twin-turbo engine that can produce between 850 and 1,000 horsepower. Amazing acceleration, with an estimated time of less than 5 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 96 kilometers per hour. Adaptive suspension and an aerodynamic carbon fiber chassis provide the best possible handling. Luxurious interior design influenced by Formula One that incorporates carbon fiber and Alcantara. A spa-like bathroom, a master bedroom with a smart bed, and hand-stitched leather seats. A luxurious gourmet kitchen equipped with cutting-edge equipment. Excellent sound system, big old screen, and infotainment system driven by AI. Advanced technology includes highway autonomous driving and self-parking for energy efficiency. Use regenerative braking and solar panels. Ferrari sports cars, like the SF90 Stradale, can be stored in the inside garage. Aerodynamic exterior design. Despite being a motorhome, this vehicle's athletic proportions and flowing lines are hallmarks of the Ferrari brand. Aerodynamics receive particular attention in order to increase stability and efficiency at high speeds. Sleek. Contemporary LED headlights and taillights that have a recognizable Ferrari aesthetic. Sliding doors that operate automatically for convenience. Large rims and a sporty, lightweight style. Ferrari emblems are positioned thoughtfully around the exterior. Exquisite interior features, ergonomic design to optimize space and comfort. Handmade leather upholstery in a range of unique colors, inspired by the interiors of classic Ferrari supercars. Huge dining table and leather sofa in a roomy living area. The kitchen is fully furnished with contemporary appliances.